All right, Richard with Metadata Factory. I'm going to call this video bonus video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into our video metadata, and I'm going to grab the video that I just processed. Hit next, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose that template, and because this is all kind of themed the same, I'm going to just update or change the fields that I want to change. So I'm going to do video metadata, with Metadata Factory. Factory. Keep that the same. Keep that the same. Keep that the same. And keep that the same, keep that the same. And then I think what I'm going to do, we'll just jump over here. Write a paragraph. And uses of video metadata. I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to run with it. So I think I'll keep that the same. And then I will add that. And then, and then I'm going to add some hashtags. Again, you know, get creative. And don't need to save it. And then what I'll do is I'll just add 2023 to the end of it. Boom. All right. And then let's do this. We'll actually come over here. Upload video. Put that over here. Find that real quick. Let's see. And then what I'm going to do is adding or data factory. And again, don't need to overthink. Drop that in. Drop a couple of hashtags. Okay, fingers are working faster than my brain. So this is a brand new account, or it's an account that I've never used. So I've got to verify it before I can add custom thumbnails. If I had the ability to do that, so if I could add custom thumbnails, I'd actually show you what I do with custom thumbnails. I'm going to add it to the Metadata Factory playlist. No. Or factory. If I was doing something local, I might add something there. Leave that on. Education. Leave that. Leave all of that. And we'll hit next. And if this wasn't, if this was something for something different, product, service, might be some other things that I would do, but this is for demonstration purposes. I'm going to grab that so I can copy it, publish, and so now I'm going to open up another screen. I'm going to go to YouTube, and let's do video metadata tools. Let's just do video metadata factory, see what happens. That's an old video. And want to see how quickly something may or may not show up. All right, there we go. So again, and I'm going to screenshot this. And I get it. I know these are not they're not competitive terms, so don't beat me up on that. But what I'm trying to show you is I believe, and I say this, I don't have any scientific data. This is just from personally uploading hundreds, if not 1,000 videos over the years, and doing the extra things, adding metadata. And doing a custom thumbnail, adding metadata to the thumbnail. I have seen videos index within a minute for moderately competitive terms. So again, this is not an end-all be-all strategy, but it's part of an overall strategy, and hope you can appreciate that. So I'll end this video bonus. Just wanted to show you me actually uploading a video, and the audience being able to see how quickly YouTube will index a video. For terms that are moderately competitive, what I've seen them show up number one like this, and then maybe over the course of the day, this video might completely disappear. It might disappear for a couple of days, but it usually, if it doesn't move up or down in rank, it'll disappear for a couple of days, and then when it does show back up in the video SERPs, it usually sticks or stays in that last position that it appeared in. So, and you can see Metadata Factory video metadata. you can see the first video that I had uploaded earlier. All right, on to the next video.